How to delete Reddit account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you're signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. You will then be led to the settings page of Reddit, so go ahead and scroll down and under the support tab, you will see the delete account option. Tap on that. Now in the confirmation pop-up that appears, go through the guideline that says, once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments, and messages are disassociated, not deleted, from your account. So if you are sure of deleting your account, tap on the Yes Delete option and in the other pop-up, you will be required to verify your identity. So enter your username and password and tap on the Continue button. Further, you will be required to enter a reason for leaving. You can simply tap on the Continue button if you do not want to enter anything. Next, in the final confirmation, tap on the Delete button and with this your account will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete Reddit account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.